Amid ongoing turmoil, hundreds of people have sought refuge in relief camps established by local authorities in Manipur. According to a release from the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, the administration is committed to meeting the needs of all individuals in the relief camps. The Jiribam relief team distributed essential and daily need items across various camps, ensuring access to necessary resources during these challenging times. Efforts are also being made to restore a sense of normalcy, particularly for the children affected by the crisis. Arrangements have been made to resume educational activities from pre-primary to class 8 at Jingdongleka UPS starting from June 15. Teachers have been instructed to fulfill their duties and required textbooks and stationery will be delivered promptly. This initiative aims to provide stability and continuity in the children's education. Additionally, the ICDS project has provided supplementary nutrition to the inmates at the multi-purpose sports complex Vidyanagar Relief Camp, ensuring the health and well-being of the youngest residents. The report noted that there are 943 inmates across 7 relief camps in Jiribam, comprising 353 children, 199 men and 391 women. The district administration remains committed to supporting these individuals, ensuring they have the resources and care needed during this difficult period. As the situation evolves, the administration continues to prioritize the safety and well-being of all camp residents, striving to make their stay as comfortable as possible while they await a return to normalcy.